I'm Justin White, and we're at Small Bar Chicago, where I'm the executive chef. And today I'm going to show you how to make a light, simple coleslaw. We all love coleslaw, maybe sometimes without a little bit of the added fat. What I've got is about half a head of shredded green cabbage. I just shred this up on my mandolin. You could use a knife or a slicer, whatever works best for you, a food processor if you happen to be at home. So take this half a head here of cabbage. I'm going to add about, I don't know, maybe a quarter teaspoon of kosher salt. Now what this salt's going to do is it's going to start to break down the cabbage a little bit. Kind of remove some of its raw state. It's going to pull some of the waters out. And it's also going to slightly cure it. Obviously add in a little bit of salt as well and salinity. Just a pinch of black pepper. Now I'm going to let this sit off to the side for a couple of minutes, maybe about 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to make a vinaigrette for us. Instead of using mayonnaise or an aioli, I've got about, let's say, a quarter cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice and about maybe 3/4 cup of olive oil. Once again, a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. We're just going to blend the two together. Now, this is a wonderful acidic vinaigrette for lots of different applications. You could use this for a salad, it could dress tomatoes, you could put it over meat, add a little fresh herb to it. Alright, we just want to make sure that it's well blended. Alright, now that we have our vinaigrette made, we're just going to add a touch to our salted cabbage. Alright, I've got a little bit left over, as you can see. We want to make sure that those components are incorporated as well. Now with the wonderful health aspects of olive oil and lemon juice combined, raw cabbage, we've got a wonderful, tasty summer coleslaw. Try this wonderful light summer coleslaw with lemon vinaigrette over grilled fish or an accompaniment to any picnic. Again, my name is Justin White, Small Bar Chicago. Thank you for joining us and enjoy.